Hello everyone. In this video, we'll dive into how to mind map with SimpleMind. We'll start at the beginning and explore more and more features. In this chapter, we'll explore how to add topics to your mind map. Let's dive in. This is the central theme. It forms the core of your mind map. Child topics branch out from the central theme, representing subtopics or related ideas. To add a topic, select the central theme and tap the Add Topic tool. Repeat this as many times as you need. Sibling topics are ideas that are on the same level as the selected topic. To add a sibling topic, select the topic and use the Add Sibling tool, like so. If you use an external keyboard, you can also use Tab to add a child topic and Enter to add a sibling topic. You can add as many central themes as you want. Make sure nothing is selected and double-click to add a new central theme. Edit the topic by double-clicking on it to modify the text as needed. In this chapter, you've learned how to add child topics, sibling topics, new central themes, and how to edit the text in a topic. In this chapter, we'll explore different layout options to help you organize your mind map. SimpleMind offers two primary layout options: freeform layout and auto layout. Freeform layout provides you with the complete freedom to manually arrange and position your topics anywhere on the mind map canvas. Auto layout, on the other hand, automatically positions the topics for you. When I add topics, all the topics move to make room. Switch to a different auto layout by selecting the topic from where the layout starts. The topic has a fork-like symbol next to it. Use the toolbar and the layout button. SimpleMind has multiple layout options to choose from. Let's switch to the top-down layout. This arranges all the topics in a different way. Let's try a linear layout as well. In a freeform layout, you can move a topic anywhere. Simply select the topic and drag it to the desired position on the mind map canvas. Move a whole branch by long pressing first. Now when I drag this topic, the whole branch moves with it. If I don't use long press, only the single topic moves. In an auto layout, you cannot freely move a topic to a specific location. It will just snap back. However, you can reorder the topics. The marker shows where the topic will be placed when released. SimpleMind will adjust the layout around the moved topic. In both layouts, you can easily adjust the structure by dragging and dropping topics onto another parent. In this chapter, you've learned the difference between a freeform layout and an auto layout, and how to move and reconnect topics. Mind maps often make use of images. It not only looks great, but helps you remember better. Adding images in SimpleMind is very easy. You can add an image inside or outside the topic. The image outside the topic doesn't have a visible connection to the topic, and you can move it around freely. Let's start by adding an image in the topic. You can use drag and drop or use the topic toolbar like I do now. Click the image icon and select Add Image in Topic. Select the image. Use the resize tool to make the image larger or smaller. Let's add the same image, but this time outside the topic. I'm using the topic toolbar again and selecting Add Image. You can also add an image as a new topic. This adds a topic without borders, with only the image inside it. Because it's a topic, you can add child topics to it. You can also add a linked image if you want to be able to see the image in full size. Double-clicking the thumbnail opens the linked image. On most platforms, you can use drag and drop to add images. Drag the image onto the topic and select what kind of image you want to add. It's an easy way to add images, especially when you're adding images from a website. In this chapter, you've learned how to add an image inside a topic, outside a topic, and add a linked image. In this chapter, I'll explain how to add icons in topics. Icons make your mind map visually more engaging and can make your topic stand out. Let's add some icons. On most platforms, start by showing the icon inspector like so. Select the topic and click the icon you want to add. Let's add an apple to fruit. For other platforms, start by using the topic toolbar. Next, tap on Add Icon to show the icon selector. You can select the icon size on all platforms. I can add this icon as a large icon or switch back to a small icon. To remove an icon, select the topic and use Remove Icon. You can reorder icons to your preference. How to do so differs a bit per platform. You can also add your own icons in My Icons. You can add images or photos as icons. In this chapter, we've talked about adding icons, ordering the list with icons, and adding your own icons. In this chapter, I'll show you how to use your mind map as an information hub. This is a mind map about my upcoming trip to Barcelona. This compact mind map contains all the information I'll need. I can add hidden information by using notes. For example, this topic just says hotel, but the little yellow marker indicates the note. So when I select this topic and click this T button, you'll see information I copied from my reservation email. So when I arrive, all I need to do is open my mind map. On most platforms, you can use this button to hide or view the notes. It's easy to add information in a note. Just open the note, for example via this T button, and start typing to add a lot of information without cluttering your mind map. Instead of adding information in the notes, I could also link to a website. For example, in transport, I've added the topic Metro Map, and this has a link to, no surprise, the Metro Map. Adding a link to a website is easy. On most platforms, you can drag and drop the web address onto a topic like so. You could also copy the link, select the topic, and use the topic toolbar and the link button to add a link. This indicator shows the topic has a link. To keep your mind map compact, you can also link to other mind maps instead of adding information in one mind map only. To prepare for my trip, I've made a mind map with some Spanish words. Let's link that by using the topic toolbar, the link button, and select Link to Mind Map. I select the mind map and this adds the link you see here. I can click the link to open the other mind map. In some cases, you may want to link to a specific topic. To do so, I can use Copy Link to Topic and I'll paste it here. If I need a taxi, I can click here for the link to the translation. On most platforms, you can link to documents. I can drag and drop a file or use the topic toolbar. Let's share my mind map. I can share this in original SMMX format to share with someone who has SimpleMind. Or I can export as mind map to export in another format such as PDF. That will export the mind map exactly how you see it on the screen as an image. On Mac, iPad and iPhone, the web links are active. To include the notes, I can export the mind map as an outline. Make sure Show Notes is selected. And this shows the mind map as an outline with notes. To conclude, we've talked about adding notes, links, and how to share your mind map. In this chapter, we'll talk about adding checkboxes, dates, and how to use the outline view. I'm adding a list with checkboxes to mark things off. I'm selecting these topics by using multiple select. Using the checkbox button, I can easily select one of the options. Click to check. If I want to track my progress, I can change the topic to a roll-up progress bar. Now when I check the task, it checks my progress. I'll also set a date for when I want to finish this. If you want, you can export the dates to a calendar app to get reminders. On Mac, I can export directly to Apple Calendar. On all platforms, you can export as an ICS file, which most calendar apps can use. Now let's go to my Barcelona mind map. I've added a small list here and I can check these topics. If your mind map is big, it might be hard to see everything. SimpleMind has an outline to make that easier. The outline shows my mind map with checkboxes and dates. I can also use this view to show topics with checkboxes only and mark them done directly in the outline. Optionally, I can also show unchecked checkboxes only, checked checkboxes, or topics with dates. This outline helps you maintain overview. You can also export as an outline. Let's export this outline with checkboxes only. So I can print this and hang it on the fridge. In this chapter, you've seen how to add checkboxes and progress bars, how to use an outline view, and export or share dates and lists. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. If you want more detailed information or if you want to explore more features, be sure to check out our website.